Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 71 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given that we draw a random sample of size n from a uniform distribution with PDF f of x comma alpha comma beta, which is equals to 1 minus 1 divided by beta minus alpha, where x is from alpha to beta. That is nothing but a distribution, a uniform distribution of alpha comma beta. Then we need to find the sufficient statistics of the parameters alpha and beta. We are given four options and we need to find the correct one. So first we write the joint density, which is 1 by beta minus alpha whole to the power n if x1 x2 xn are between alpha to beta. Or we can write x order 1 comma x order n are in between alpha and beta. Therefore, the joint density reduces to 1 by beta minus alpha whole to the power n I x order 1 minus alpha multiplied by I beta minus x order n, where ix is just an indicator function. Okay, which is 1 if x is greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. Therefore, using Fisher-Neyman theorem, using Fisher-Neyman factorization theorem, we can write that f of x curl is equals to g theta t x curl multiplied by h x curl, where t x curl is the sufficient statistic of theta. Therefore, comparing these two equations, we get that 1 by beta minus alpha whole to the power n is equivalent to hx curl, and I x order 1 minus alpha multiplied by I beta minus x order n beta minus x order n, which is equivalent to g theta tx curl. Therefore, the sufficient statistics are x order 1 and x order n for alpha and beta respectively. Okay, therefore the correct answer is the option B. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.